What's good, next gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, what's good? Make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe button, be a part of this gang, because this gang is this gang of all gang. I'm excited because I'm going to pick up my sister, my little sister, GRECIA. If you guys are new to this channel, then you guys, you guys have no clue who I'm talking about, but you guys are gonna learn real quickly. You guys are gonna grow to love her. She's full of energy. She has a strong personality. She's crazy. She's goofy, just like me. So she's gonna be staying with me for the summer. If all goes well, she might be living with me. Well, who knows? That's a big step. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so this is going to be the second time of her meeting my daughter. She met her before. I have a whole video on that already. But the problem with that is I didn't blur out her face in any of them. Like, I just left it raw. I can't put the blur on it yet, and I haven't revealed her yet. So I guess I'm just gonna drop it when we reveal her face. And that's gonna be on the Rich Family channel. Not my couple's channel, but the family channel that we made that has no post yet. It's called the Rich Family. But yeah, so that's gonna be done very, 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 very soon. And then I'll drop that video. But anyways, yeah, I'm super excited. We've been waiting for this moment for like months on months on months. Almost there. Guess who? Hello. Woo. The trunk's open. I'm good. So she's in the back seat and all with the baby. Like, forget me. I'm just looking like, hey, where'd you go? And she's in the back seat. She's like, she's so cute. She's smiling. Girl. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And she knows that you talk about her. She's happy. She's like, hey, I remember you. Okay, so she's been bothering me for seafood, and we are right next to Juicy Crab. Shout out to Jessica for putting me on. So they said it's gonna be done between 15 to 20 minutes. So luckily, Ulta is, everything that I need is right in the general vicinity. So I think I'm just gonna stop there, and I think I have somewhere else to go, but I'm not sure. I have to go look at furniture, actually, now that I think about it. But I'm not gonna look at furniture here because it's 30 minutes from the house and they're gonna try to charge you, girl. You're gay. I've arrived. What? Girl, what you got going on? Get it. No? Not doing it? That makes my nipple now. So I went to go get Juicy Crab, and then I went to Ulta. I spent a little more than I was supposed to spend. I spent like $2.50. Are you excited to eat? Hello, GRECIA. Yes. How does it feel to be in Georgia? Okay, that's a mood. Maybe when you eat, you'll feel a lot better. So we're gonna go home and do a mukbang. I don't know if it's gonna be in this video or another video. Oh yeah, you did say that. So walking through the hall. Alright, I thought I heard them arguing. You're nosy. Oh, nice and dirty. Is that over here? Yeah, that's your room. Why are you taking your shoes off? We're about to go downstairs and do a mukbang. Why is it not focusing? What? You don't even know where you're going. The wrong way. You said left. That's right. Left, outside the house. Straight from mouth of coochie. Oh my god. Can you walk this? No, why are you being weird? Ooh. They juicy. Wow. Ooh, look at them. Ooh. Oh, it's real messy, boo-boo. Real messy. Whoa. Okay. I of course don't. Tastes like fish. Do you like corn? Yeah. People are just gonna be walking up through the window. I can't open this. This is why we needed scissors. Girl, you better bite it. You getting braces anyways. I hate when like mukbangers do this because all I do is talk. Like I'm like, eat the food already. Oh, let me do this. 1 second. You good, baby? You too hot? Let me see. Let me put you. What if someone was walking and there was a fan and they start like creeping and you to the baby? What would you do with the baby? Nothing. You'd be surprised. Most of the time they like respect it, or they're just so shook that they seen us that they don't even like acknowledge her. I wish it would just all come out. I don't know if y'all wanted me to talk through this, but it's too good to be talking. Has someone ever DM'd you like and like started getting really mad because you wouldn't show the baby? Girl, all the time. They'd be like, show the fucking baby. Please. What? People are probably getting mad that we're not talking. What just went flying? Ooh. Yes! Finally! The thing goes crap. Pop, pop, pop. You're not even eating off the thing, did you? Yeah, I ate it up. What you got going on over there, little mama? I think you probably got more than me. Next time someone looks at us, I'm gonna be like, done, perfect timing. I'm not. You have a whole cluster. All right, I tapped out. I'm done. Go ahead, take it away. My favorite. Put closer. Oh, you want them up personal? Oh my god. My hair is like a fish. Sensei diaper. Ooh, what kind of car is that? That looks like a pig. Straight out my dog coochie. Oh. Hey, somebody. Gotta clean up after yourselves. This is the problem. Y'all hoes be dirty. Straight around my dog coochie. Y'all wondering why she say that? Y'all not Xavier fans. I'm tired of this now. Okay. Straight from out the coochie. Oh, now this thing. Oh my gosh, okay, whatever. I'm gonna break my teeth. I'm gonna shout out my Instagram. It's, I'm just kidding. I'm out. I can't. I did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah. Okay. Got some more meat. This tastes like nothing. I traveled way too far to be here. I don't regret it because I'm here now. I do regret it because it took too long. Ow! Yeah! Please, fine. Dip it. So wipe it off a little bit. Pumpkin. You like? My hands are dirty. Okay, one for me. Finally. Like a beatbox. My phone number is 911. Dial it. Then you film and I'll answer. Oh, wait, answer. But you just can't message me because it doesn't work. Just try. Call 911. But when I answer, I'll be like, hello, this is 911. What's your emergency? And then when I say that, I'd be like, hello, this is GRECIA or something. Say, hello, this is Grace. And I'll be like, yeah, it is. Hi. So why'd you call? They'd be like, because I want to be your friend. I'm gonna be like, okay, I agree. Okay, I'm just gonna end this now. So, well, I don't know if Vanessa's gonna add on to it, but bye. See you later. Talk to you later. Love you guys. Subscribe, like. I don't know why I'm recording again, but I found Vanessa. She's all the way over there. So, bye-bye.